Hi students, I'm sure that you are doing very well and I'm thankful to you as you all are watching my videos, and I'm especially thankful to Priyans Dagar who has sent me a question. So I will suggest everybody and also to Priyans to keep on sending difficult questions. I will try to do my best as your exams are very close. So you have sent me this question. Why it is happening? The flow of energy is unidirectional in a ecosystem, and the flow of materials is cyclic. So why this is happening? First of all, let us talk about the flow of energy. So energy is flowing from where to where? The energy is starting from plants, because plants are the producers. Why? Because they are the autotrophs. They can only prepare their food, and all others are consumers. They are heterotrophs. So energy will always start from the producer, and the plants or the grass is the producer. But the plant is capturing only how much energy, radiant energy from the sun? Only 1%. But 90% of this energy is lost in form of heat, and the other part is consumed in the other life processes. So how much is left? Left about 10% only in the form of food. That has to be transferred to the next trophic level. What is trophic level? It shows the position of the organism in a food chain. So in the food chain, which is the beginner, which is the starter, or which is the producer? It is the plants. So plants are in trophic level 1. Plant is eaten by the herbivore, so it is in the trophic level 2. Herbivore is eaten by a small carnivore, it is in the trophic level 3. So like this it will go on. Now how this energy, only 10% energy which is left in form of food, as you will remember the law of 10%. So this will flow from the trophic level 1 to trophic level 2. The grass is eaten by the grasshopper. What has taken place here? 10% energy from the grass has gone to the grasshopper. Now the question is, will this grasshopper return this 10% energy back to the grass? No, certainly not. Again, this grasshopper will be eaten by frog. So 10% energy in form of food has been transferred from the grasshopper to the frog. Question is again, will this frog return back this 10% energy to the grasshopper? So again the answer is same, certainly not. Similarly, this snake will eat the frog. 10% energy from the frog will be transferred to snake. The snake will not return back this 10% energy to the frog. This is meaning what? This is meaning that the energy is flowing in one direction only. Is it clear? Is it clear, Priyans? Energy from one trophic level is flowing to another trophic level in one direction only. Now coming to the next part, which is the flow of materials. You just think of the flow of materials, the cycles. How we are getting rains? You see, the plant is absorbing water from the soil, water and minerals. by the roots. Roots are absorbing water minerals. These water minerals are going into the cortex of the root and then to the xylem and then to the aerial parts of the root plant. When they are reaching the aerial parts of the plant, what is happening? The water is lost also through a very important process, that is transpiration through stomata in form of water vapor. These water vapors are released in the atmosphere. They are forming clouds there. And now these clouds are forming rain, and rains are coming down to the soil again. Again it is going into the plants through the roots. Again same thing is happening. Transpiration is taking place, and there is a transpiration pull which is, by its suction force, it is pulling the water minerals up. So this is a cycle. And on the other side also, from the water bodies during daytime, water vapors are being formed. They are going into the atmosphere and forming clouds again, and again rains are coming down to the soil. So it is a cycle. Similarly, carbon cycle. Carbon dioxide is entering from the atmosphere to the plants, into the plants. Why? Because without carbon dioxide, photosynthesis cannot take place. So plants are preparing their food, and they are growing, they are surviving because of the carbon dioxide which is entering from the atmosphere. And these plants are being eaten by the animals. Animals are getting water from the water bodies, and these plants are again releasing water vapors, and also they are consuming the carbon dioxide which is there in the atmosphere. So this process is also going on. This is carbon cycle. So Priyans, you have to remember these facts to prove that materials are, the flow of materials is cycling. Another example can be that you have seen that insecticides and pesticides are being added to the water in the water bodies. They are sprinkled. So these harmful chemicals are going into the into the plants along with water minerals. These plants are eaten by the animals, and also smaller animals and bigger animals, and then by humans also. So what is happening? These harmful substances, chemicals are going into the plant bodies and also in the other animal bodies. So the concentration of chemical in each trophic level. So there are also trophic levels here. In each trophic level, from plant to small animal, herbivore, or from herbivores to small carnivores and to the bigger carnivores, and this concentration of chemical is increasing in each trophic level, and which is called the biological magnification, and it is maximum in human. So like this also it is a cycle, it is forming a cycle. So you have to understand these movements, students and Priyans. So I think it will help you in your understanding of this statement. So I wish you all the best, and to all students, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be always there to help you as far as possible, to best of my knowledge. Thank you so much.